those chickens.
That's right.
This place is so sketch. Like every fucking thing is like, this is a death trap.
Sheesh. We didn't get breakfast, so I have cereal that I bought from yesterday, so I think we're just gonna chow that down while we make our drive to the Rainbow Mountain. Yeah. So this is the gas station, huh? We made it to Rainbow Mountain. There's like an entrance at there's a parking lot on the bottom, and there's a parking lot at the top. Didn't have enough money. We ran out of cash, so I'm Peruvian for the day. But it saved us a ton of time hiking, and that's what matters. It's kind of neat. They have ATV things over here that you can rent, and then they have people and motorcycles down there that you can pay to take you up to the top. But we saved like 4 miles, so we're just gonna walk the 1.5 miles up, 1.5 miles back. Should be pretty easy, hopefully, although I'm gasping for air at the moment. MF just casually eating snacks while I'm dying over here. His mother-in-lawing me. MF showing off, going backwards, because I'm struggling going forwards. Few keys for this when you're hiking at elevation. Make sure you breathe in, breathe out like profusely. I don't know if profusely is the word, but deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2, go very slow. And then 3, I would say make sure you drink water. Other than that, you're chilling. I had to pace myself. There was a small group in front of me. Dan kept on going, so I had to pace myself with a group, and it worked out pretty well. How high are we? Can't see shit.
16.3, baby.
Sheesh.
Look at that. Highest you ever been.
Highest I've ever been.
Aside from a couple nights ago.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, I was cooked on then. I was cooked. I was so cooked. It got so cold at the top. Holy shit. So we are on the way down now, and it feels so much better. Fuck me. Bro, it's on the back of my fucking heel. I stepped in so much shit. Fuck. Now it's gonna be smelling.
I can't say anything. If it's
Like you can't see anything? Like I need to raise my foot higher, or you can't see anything that there's poop on my foot?
Hey, look at this photo real quick. Yeah, I mean like all the threads are full of crap, but I don't know what it is. It might just be mud.
Okay, well I definitely stepped in shit, so.
¿Café?
¿Café o solamente té?
Sí.
¿Sí, café?
¿Cuántos?
5 soles.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, sí.
¿2?
Sí, eso. Nice cough, dude. I used my last 2.5 souls on this coffee.
It was a sneeze, not
Up in Rainbow Mountain. You're right. Yeah, my bad. Well worth it. It's just instant coffee, but I'll take it. Like, you know, we can't.
Well, because it's not a 2-hour hike, not too bad. That was nice. Very glad we missed the 4 miles that we had to hike up to the second parking lot. I would have been fucked. Dana, I think, would have been fine, but I would have been fucked. Now the plan is to drive to Cusco so I can catch my flight. Oh, these socks are so wet. You like Deadmau5? You can honk your horn. Bro, they're just chilling.
Slowly work your way through. They move.
What up, G? What up, G? Just got done eating. Had Inca Cola for the first time. It tasted like cola champagne. Pretty good. And now I need to pack all my mess of clothes and my backpacks because I go to Lima in like 2 hours. Well, thanks for driving, pal. It's been great. I'll see you in like a week or so when you come to my house.
All right, man. Fly safe.
See you, buddy. Thanks for driving.
Yeah, man.
Just driving around in Lima reminds me of LA. Being so close to the beach and all the traffic. Crazy. I think the plan is to shower, hit ceviche, maybe walk around the beach. But we'll see. Till then.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.